Food safety. Food safety is a scientific discipline describing handling, preparation, and storage of food in way that prevent foodborne illness. This include a number of routines that should be followed to avoid potentially severe health hazards. According to World Health Organization, food safety encompasses actions aimed at ensuring that all food is as safe as possible. Food safety policies and actions need to cover the entire food chain from production to consumption. Why food safety is important? Food safety is a public health priority. Millions of people fall ill every year and many die as a result of eating unsafe food. Serious outbreaks of foodborne diseases have been documented on every continent in the past decade, and in many countries, rates of illness are increasing significantly. Foodborne illness is a preventable and underreported public health problem, presents a major challenge to both general and at-risk population. Children younger than age 4 have the highest incidence of infection. Safer food promises healthier and longer life, less costly health care, and a more resilient foods industry. Now, let us look at how ignorance of food safety measure might result into severe infection and its associated symptoms. Most foodborne diseases are infections caused by variety of bacteria, viruses and parasites. Foodborne pathogens also can be acquired through recreational or drinking water from contact with animal or other environment or through person to person spread. Symptoms of foodborne illness are common symptoms are diarrhea and vomiting, typical lasting 1 to 7 days. Other symptoms might include abdominal cramps, fever, joint back pain, and fatigue. What some people call the stomach flu may actually be a foodborne illness caused by pathogen, that is virus or bacteria, and is contaminated food or drink. The incubation period can range from several hours to 1 week. Now, there are different methods to control the risk. Improve refrigeration and storage, poor personal hygiene, cross contamination, contaminated food sources, undercooking, other time temperature mistakes. Ensuring food safety at home or supermarkets. All supermarkets, takeaway shops, and restaurants have to compile sell food that is safe to eat and free of any contamination. Food business have a responsibility to sell food that is safe to eat. Food safety at the supermarket is important to grocery buyers than proximity to home, good values, trading hours, or the quality and the range of fresh fruit and vegetables. The latest research from Roy Morgan shows in the competitive retail supermarket and grocery store environments, food safety and quality directly impact reputation. Consistent food safety and brand protection practices are paramount to success. Wash hands often. Wash hands in warm, soapy water for at least 30 seconds before preparing food. Wash your hands thoroughly after handling raw meats, chicken, seafoods, egg or unwashed vegetables. Dry your hands with clean towel. If you have any cuts or wound on your hands, cover them with waterproof wound strip or bandages. Wear clean protective clothes such as apron when preparing food. If you feel unwell, let someone else prepare the food. Ready to eat foods. Proper food handling, food safety, and sanitation practices should be followed for those offering ready to eat foods. Commercially prepared food designed for easy of consumption and ready to eat foods are often prepared food that can be sold as hot, ready to eat dishes as room temperature, shelf stable products as refrigerated or frozen products that require minimal preparation. Now, easy steps to save foods are: buy from reputable supplier with clean premises, take chilled, frozen or hot food straight home in insulated container, keep raw foods and ready to eat food separate, avoid high risk food left in the temperature danger zone for more than 4 hours, thoroughly wash and dry hands when preparing food, Use separate and clean utensils for raw foods and ready to eat food. When in doubt, throw it out. Cook it right. One of the most important things you can do to stop food turning nasty is to cook it thoroughly, especially high risk food. Most food should be cooked at least 75 degrees Celsius. Take extra care when preparing food where the eggs remain uncooked, such as the homemade mayonnaise, as bacteria on the eggshell can be contaminate the food. Kitchen surface and safety. Practicing good home food safety habits will help keep the food you eat safe and reduce your risk of food poisoning. Some people, including pregnant women, infants, and young children, older and adult people with weakened immune system and chronic illness such as diabetes and kidney disease, have an increased risk of food poisoning and should avoid eating certain food. If you have a smelly dishcloth, towel, or sponge, it is a sure sign that unsafe bacterial growth is nearby. You should toss it out and remember to replace one sponge frequently. Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, that is FSSAI, is an agency of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. The Food Safety and Standard Act is responsible for protecting and promoting public health through the regulation and supervision of food safety. Food Safety and Standard Act has been established under the, which is a consolidated statute related to food safety and regulation in India. Highlights of the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 are various central acts like Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954, Food Products Order 1955, Meat Food Products Order 1973, and many more. The Act also aims to establish a single reference point for all matters relating to food safety and standard by moving from multi-level, multi-departmental control to a single line of command. Thank you.